Welcome to Clearly Conveying on the Road. I'm Gavin Perkins, Territory Sales Manager for Kentucky, Ohio, and Indiana. Today I've got Brad Dravenstock with me. He's one of our field application engineers, and we're going to talk a little bit about our Pro Duty drum and profiled end disc. Brad, I think when we're in the field, probably one of the most common pulley failures we see, we've got an example of right here. I guess what differentiates our Pro Duty drum versus what we've got here?
So this is a end disc that has a hub that is welded into it. This was the standard for many years. The hub is actually welded into the end disc. What we do is we have a solid plate of steel and we machine the hub into the end disc.
Okay, so we're eliminating that weld point essentially.
Correct.
Great. So Brad, why does this failure occur?
This failure occurs because you have the hub to end disc weld, and over time, over fatigue cycles, or whether it be an undersized shaft, this shaft deflects and it breaks this hub to end disc weld. Where here on the PPI Pro Duty pulley, you could completely eliminate that weld and eliminate this from happening.
Okay, so a machined end disc versus a welded in hub.
Correct.
So Brad, probably one of the most common questions I get when talking about drum pulleys, and I guess specifically our Pro Duty line, is customers will ask, what class pulley is this? Is this a mine duty? Is this a standard duty, heavy duty? What's your opinion on that with the Pro Duty?
At PPI, we eliminate the confusion by leading with Pro Duty, and it covers all of those applications.
So in terms of reliability, the Pro Duty will outperform the traditional weld-in hub?
At PPI, we are confident with our Pro Duty pulley, and we offer a 10-year warranty on the construction of the pulley. And we have actually seen recently that we pulled out one of our first Pro Duty pulleys that we installed, and it lasted 10 years with no failures.
Well, I mean, that's a lot of great information, Brad. We appreciate it, and I think that really does kind of show us the difference between the traditional weld-in hubs versus the profiled end disc. Appreciate your time today, and appreciate everybody for watching. That's Clearly Conveying on the Road. Thanks.